Are they boring you, Allie? Who's out there? Who's out there? She was just crying like she wanted to get to them. And of course, brothers out there. Ian is trying to bury Liam. Oh dear. And Allie just can't quite figure out what is going on. That got her down from her new high perch over here. And it got me to open the window all the way, or the blind all the way. Although it makes my eye water. I guess this inflamed cornea is very light sensitive. It certainly has been, and she mentioned it, and I said, yep, very. Liam is being buried. Daddy came to help. They were playing out there, and Ian was pushing a whole bunch of snow into the window well, and Dagan had just talked to me about the fact that the window on the left is the only one that opens, and it opens outward. So if there was an emergency and I needed to get out, they can't have it stuck full of snow, you know. And I said, well, then really you only need to shovel and clear it out on the one side, you know. But obviously they hadn't talked to the boys. The boys were filling up the window well. Oh, so I had to text him because I was trying to tell him you shouldn't be putting the snow in, you should be putting the snow out. And you can't hear through these windows. They're very good windows. And they thought I was telling them to get out. And so then they took off. And hi, Dagan. Yeah. And Allie, she doesn't know what's going on. Oh, Liam is up now. Anyway. Oh, I know this is a crazy video. This is this is why it doesn't really feel like a basement like the other ones around up north here, because this is a huge window, and then it's got that elevated stepping area out there so that it isn't even close to the window well. It's all enclosed in wood and stuff, and Leah probably will plant flowers out there this spring. So, yeah, I'm in the basement, but it doesn't, not like the basements I grew up in down in Fridley, Minnesota. They were teeny, skinny little windows you couldn't probably have ever climbed out of. And they were way up high in the wall. And there were very few of them. Yeah. I guess they didn't worry about people getting out of the basement back then. Oh, dear. Oh, well. Life is always interesting, isn't it? I'm going to have to go because my eye is watering so bad. But hopefully I'll keep taking the steroids in that eye and my cornea will heal. And I'll be able to see again better out of both eyes. All right. Bye-bye.